Hey everyone, you're watching Creative Picks. I'm Ritvika Gupta, and this week I'll be reviewing ad campaigns by IKEA, Cult.Fit and Bank of New Zealand. Let's get started. Over the past couple of weeks, we've reviewed a number of Christmas ads released by brands worldwide. Strangely, we haven't come across one from India. But this year, IKEA Canada released a holiday ad featuring an Indian family preparing for the festivities. By reimagining old traditions and putting its own spin on it, IKEA Canada shows how holiday celebrations look different in every home. And of course, we see IKEA's home furnishing solutions coming together for the festivities. We see many cultural touchpoints and traditions come to life in this spot, including diyas, Indian food, and a Christmas tree. The ad was released a week before Diwali and it appears to be a holiday ad beautifully stitching together Christmas and Diwali with Chaya Chaya playing in the background. A multi-generational Indian family living abroad is usually never or underrepresented during the holidays among global brands. The ad's brave, refreshing and truly sends a message of diversity and the different ways that people come together to celebrate the festivities. Fitness platform Cult.Fit has once again combined humor with pop culture for its latest ad. Set in the context of the 90s Hindi film Run Arjun, the new ad hilariously delivers the message that fitness should be made a top priority by people across all ages and fitness levels. The TVC is a recreation of the famous scene where Karan and Arjun, originally played by Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan, respectively get killed due to their inability to run away fast from the bad guys. Bhag Arjun Bhag was an iconic line, but when put into the fitness context, Cult.Fit weirdly manages to land its key message.
तेरे सपोलों की मौत आज हमारे हाथों लेके है बढ़िया
मेरे करण अर्जुन भागेंगे
छोड़ अगले जन्म में मारते हैं नहीं
The ad quite cleverly creates a spoof of the iconic scene, with Karan and Arjun's mother now confident that her sons will escape the villains. It's a fun way to encourage more people to become more proactive about their health and well-being. Bank of New Zealand has launched a new campaign to remind people of the important role that businesses can play in people's lives. The campaign features a 90-second spot and follows a teenage boy in rural New Zealand who loves dancing. His story of isolation is set to a cover of Robin's song, Dancing on My Own. Towards the end, we see that while he's isolated in a place where dance instruction might be hard to come by, he's connected through an online dance school.
The funniest person ever.
Can you do this, Caleb?
There's a big black sky over my town. I know where you're at, I bet she's around. Yeah, I know it's stupid, but I just gotta see it for myself. I'm in the corner, watching you kiss her. Oh.
I love the ad for its simple message and because it's pretty unusual for a commercial bank ad. The story isn't just about a business that teaches dance, but one that reassures the teenager that he's not alone. The ad's visually beautiful and touches a chord.
I keep dancing on my own.
That was awesome.
It felt really good.
So good. Yes, but watch your timing, okay? I'll see you Wednesday. Go 2 with me on 5, 6, 7,
I'm right over here.
And that's a wrap on this episode of Creative Picks. Leave me your thoughts in the comments below. And for your weekly dose of ad reviews, keep watching Creative Picks.